A lot of people say, why do I need an air purifier? Isn't the air in Australia already clean? And the answer to that question is, in your home, the air is not necessarily clean. Nobody has a perfectly clean home. The air is going to be affected by the furnishings in your home, what is going on outside your home, and often what we have in residential homes is a buildup of pollutants. Through lack of ventilation, we have dust and allergens build up, we have mold spores build up, particularly in older homes where there's a subfloor and there's musty odours that come through, and people know they've usually got a problem in their home when they go away for a week. They come back and they open their front door and they can smell a bit of a musty odour. And a lot of people don't think that's an issue, but a lot of people also have allergy symptoms as a result. So investing in a good quality air purifier can make a huge improvement in the quality of the air you breathe, and also resulting in better well-being for yourself and your family. Give us a call if you want expert advice on how to select the right air purifier for your home.